How to download QuillBot app on PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for QuillBot download and tap on the option that matches your operating system. I will tap on the Mac OS option. You will then see the Install for Free button. Tap on that. Confirm the download and then wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the file and further drag the file to Applications. Once the file is shifted to Applications, go ahead and open your Launchpad and then open the QuillBot app and use the application further. This is how you can download QuillBot app on PC or laptop.